it's still Rebel Salute 2020. I know somebody here with our brother Chad Hype. What brings you here? And are you enjoying the vibe so far?
Yeah, man, you don't know the vibe different, you know, cause you don't know, so Flourgon and my father, you don't know with us win the big case against Miley Cyrus, so you know my father performed tonight, so. When I was down and I was no one, separation was not I know. You know, definitely, we just come for support my father and, as I say, take in the show and, as I say, get some Rasta culture and I say, you don't know head at our skull at, but I don't know. Big up the whole of the Rasta them, as I say. Big up to Tony Rebel, as I say, first and foremost, as I say. The vibe's different. I'm a first time a Rebel Salute, as I say, and the vibes is just a more chilled, relaxed vibe.
Try step out there and try to see like the type of food and stuff that you know you can't get no alcohol and
yeah, man, but the vibe's different though, as I say, and I respect how him open away for the whole reggae culture. You know what I mean? Him try to bring back the real reggae vibe there.
The authentic vibe there.
The authentic vibe. And you know, say that in my DNA, because you know, my father is Flourgon, my father's brother is Red Dragon, R.I.P. Red Dragon. For enough people that know him, and him sing all in a beat from morning when go all fresh. And my father sing, we run things that run way. I don't know, say me is Chad, so a lot of people don't really know, say me have music in them, you know what I mean? My DNA,
so that's where you get the dancehall type of skill set there from.
Loving me, I touch you all night long, but so wine can me want you all night. Because you don't know, my father really teach you for DJ the real way and not the computer way.
And from what age? From what age does it start with your father would make sure you say, okay, learn this?
From to be honest with you, from me about 13, you know, we are DJ in a car. You don't know, daddy set the thing for we and pave the way. And before we even enter high school, him teach you how for DJ, teach you music, teach you the drums, the piano, them. As I say, I don't know, when we go Calabar now, we start really learn how for DJ. On decks and you know, big up to all of them Calabar friends them. As I say, Massacre them, the Quadra them, the whole of them. And the whole of them are friends and are one family.
Oh, so you think about the whole situation at Rich Quadra, like you cool with him like that, you could have message and find out everything good after him free?
I mean, I guess everything good because you don't know everything are for good. As I say, you know, Quadra that and you don't know I'm a schoolmate that from Calabar, you know, Massacre I'm a schoolmate as well. As I say, and big up everybody who come support Reggae Salute. Rebel Salute.
Mix them up to
kind of close. Man, big up everybody who come out and big up everybody who support my father with the Miley Cyrus journey and the whole settlement.
I know, so when that it's honestly, me one of them people when it start up, me I say, boy, if I go up against Miley Cyrus, this no, you know, as a Jamaican person against the whole of the US system there. But I say, boy, I think that I come from it, so I'm even very shocked, honestly, so they actually came to some sort of settlement.
Yeah, man, because, I mean, a lot of people did bash my father in the media and I say, yo, them man, they can't win them. Because, you know, 300 million, we're sorry for, but at the end of the day, you know, good music never dies, you know. It's me, I say, hard work are the key to success. Baby Sham always tell me that. Big up Baby Sham, big up the whole Lawless crew, same way. And once I put in good work and put in good music, them can't deny it. So, you know what I mean? We don't really want to talk about the settlement because of certain, you know what I mean, lies and stuff for hold it up. But we don't know. Chad Hype, you can look out for me in 2020. We have new music videos. We just dropped a music video last year in October called Feel It. So I said that go on good. And we have a new single coming out now named Mama and the next one called Yeah. Where we have dropped 2 music videos. By March, the video them supposed to out on YouTube and a stream on all platforms and song and sell and everything, so you can look out for that.
What are you learning about the dancehall industry now? Okay, I'm sure you probably have figured out, say, is a certain way you have to navigate the system in Jamaica. Like, you know, you show up to the dance them, you know the selector them, you kind of connect with certain people. Like, where you discover now in terms of this space, you know, trying to, you know, develop the name Chad Hype?
Well, to be honest today, you know, I mean, people respect me in the streets because I'm a father. People respect me because I'm Baby Shampar. Is me I say. But other than that, enough of the people them in the music, them kind of corrupt the system for young artists for bus because a man want you pay, a man want you.
Them something still going?
See me I say give him a thing, but you don't know. You see, for me the good music, this is my advice to all of the artists that are younger than me. Just take the time out, write your song them, practice them.
Yeah.
And promote them. See me I say, cause promotion is one of the key thing where you know what I mean, where artists need to know. For getting a song out there, just promote them and keep working. You know what I mean? My father is so 50 and him still a perform on show.
Yeah.
I'm at 26, soon 30. I was still a record, we still a write because we do it for the love for music and not money.
Yeah. It's a good message that. And so now that's about for wrap up. I'm sure you probably hear about the crime and the killing and the things that are going on with the woman them in Jamaica. So I just want to give the people them like the youth them, you know, like a message in terms of how to kind of deal with them manga more while and deal with them women.
Well, to be honest with you, me is a Leo, you know, and if you don't know Leo people very vicious. But at the end of the day, me learn how to work on my anger issues. Some other people to learn that too. Two wrongs don't make a right. You see me I say? And if a girl give herself up to you, you know what I take it. Like you go to jail.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Because me, the girl, them love me like cook food.
You see me I tied up now?
I don't know man, I star now.
Oh, Jesus Christ, you know some one right, there's a left, right, and
yeah, man, until you find out the right one, but we just live, you know? But you don't know the thing go. At the end of the day, the man them for us. We don't deal with the rapists around here. See me I say, we don't want to fire upon that.
And no violence,
And no violence, straight. You see me I say? And to be honest with them, I want every young artist for just believing on themselves and just continue working hard. You see me I say, TheDuttyBerry said that. Sherlock.
Alright, so that's it with TheDuttyBerry Rebel Salute 2020. Out.
Bang.